Hackers just broke into the factory that builds your iPhone, and they walked out with 11 million files. This isn't a movie. It happened 2 weeks ago, and Apple, Google, Nvidia, and Intel are all involved. The company is called Foxconn. Most Americans have never heard of it, but they use its products every single day. Foxconn builds the iPhone, the MacBook, Nvidia's AI chips, Google's servers, Dell laptops. If it's a major tech product, Foxconn probably made it. On May 1st, workers at Foxconn's factory in Mount Pleasant, Wisconsin, showed up to work and found something wrong. The Wi-Fi was dead. The time card terminals were offline. Core plant systems, gone. Workers were told to shut down their computers immediately and not log back in under any circumstances. They were filling out paper timesheets just to track their hours. For almost 2 weeks, nothing. No explanation, no announcement. Then, on May 12th, a ransomware gang called Nitrogen posted on their dark website. They claimed they had hacked Foxconn and stolen 8 terabytes of data. That's over 11 million files. Confidential instructions, internal project documentation, technical drawings, files tied directly to Apple, Google, Nvidia, Intel, and Dell. Foxconn confirmed the attack, but refused to say whether any customer data was actually taken. Here's what makes this terrifying. Nitrogen doesn't just encrypt your files and demand money. They steal the data first, then threaten to leak it publicly if you don't pay. It's called double extortion. And there's a catch. Even if Foxconn pays the ransom, researchers have found a bug in Nitrogen's own software that makes file recovery impossible. So paying does nothing. One cybersecurity analyst warned that the Google and Intel infrastructure files are the real concern. These are architectural maps of live data centers around the world. In the wrong hands, they become a roadmap for future attacks on the internet itself. This is the 3rd time Foxconn has been hit by ransomware in the last 6 years. 2020, 2022, and now 2026. And every time, the world's biggest tech companies are exposed. Your iPhone, your laptop, your GPU, they all pass through one factory. And that factory just got hacked. If you think your data is safe, think again. Subscribe to TruthSignal, because the threats are getting bigger, and nobody is telling you.